Left hand speed, important question. Yeah, okay, we'll end on that. Well, essentially, I was going to ask you if you play traditional or match, but well, but it doesn't really matter. Thomas Lang. Thomas Lang has a very simple way to approach improving your left hand, and it's basically if you have a weaker left hand, play more notes on your left hand. So his thing was this, and it's simple. You just play 3 times more notes on the left than on the right. So since he's has amazing technique and he could play really fast, he did a bar of sixteenths on the right, so 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and then he did 3 bars on the left, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. So you do 1 bar of sixteenths on the right and then 3 on the left. That can be quite challenging depending where you're at. So I just think of do 3 times more on the left than the right. So maybe you'll do like I have a little condensed version of it where you're just thinking eighth notes, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and and you just do 1 and on the right, and then you do 2 and 3 and 4 and on the left. So that's still 3 times more notes, but it just sort of condenses the exercise a bit. So you just go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 2 and 3 and 4 and the other thing is, if you want to develop speed, you have to look at your technique and actually practice slowly as well. Like I was kind of, you could do that even, so you could go 1 and 2, but look at your left hand and think about how you're manipulating the stick. And if you're pretty happy with your right hand, use your right hand, how you're holding it. Look at how you're holding it. Try to spot the differences. Try to make your left hand do what the right hand is doing if you're happy with the right hand. And I would say practice rebound strokes. So you have different types of strokes. And rebound strokes are basically when you have like a series of loud notes like this. And you can see my hands kind of opened up as I'm playing these. It's not a closed position where I'm doing it all with the wrist like that. So yeah, work on trying to do nice, smooth rebound strokes like that. It's kind of hard to answer this question without knowing exactly where you're at, but I'm trying to give you some general guidance here. And another great thing to do is to practice on the pad in front of a mirror. So just get in front of a mirror, play some of the stuff you normally practice, and just check out how your hands look and how your position looks, and is it symmetrical? What is your hand? What is your left doing that your right is not? And try to fix it. Okay. One more thing. So in addition to that, there's lots of stuff we practice on the right side. So just take accented 16th notes as an example. So 1 E and 2, 3 E and 4 E and 1, like this. So take that and practice it left hand lead. So really any rhythms, practice them left hand lead, because putting your left hand in the more dominant leading role will automatically make your brain focus more on it. So you practice accented 16ths leading with the left, 1 E and 2 E, 3 E and 4 E. You just work on that, because if you want to develop, like, speed is one thing, but you need to develop the control and the strength as well, because speed is going to come from control, and control comes from practicing slowly. Okay, so that's a really good one. Just practice accenting on the left hand, and then just practice leading with the left on anything. Pick any rudiment that you only play on either the right or left side, like a 6-stroke roll or a paradiddle diddle, and practice it on the left. Don't play your six stroke like this. Do it like this. So play more notes with the left. Basic principle, three times more than on the right. Practice leading with the left, and study your technique. Practice slowly and try to make the left look more like the right.